Hey guys, welcome to the Telium Challenge Series. This is where you challenge us with a problem or an idea, and real Telium employees come back with a solution, or try to, that'll solve that problem or help you execute that idea. So today we're talking about media suppression. My name is Kyle Brierly. I'm on our digital strategy and technology partnerships team, and today you are challenging me. And what's the challenge? So the challenge is display retargeting. How can Telium help me save money and increase performance? That is a good challenge. So retargeting as a concept is pretty easy. It's vendor of choice. Take the tag, place it on your site. You've got an audience pool to retarget. But doing it cost effectively is tough. If you don't have the right tools, you don't have the right strategies going into it, you can end up spending money that you shouldn't be spending. So that's kind of the goal today. I think we start by reducing wasted ad spend, and there's a few ways we can do that to increase the profitability of the campaign and the overall performance. So let's see what we did to tackle this challenge. I broke it into 3 segments that we're going to create in Audience Stream, and in a second I'll hop over to the UI and show you a live demo of how those are built out. First one is going to be non-responders. So this is people who have been essentially overexposed to your ads for too long and have done nothing. No clicks, no engagement, nothing. Second is going to be recent purchasers. So it seems like an easy one, can be tricky to set up, but people who have just purchased one of your products or downloaded one of your white papers, whatever it is, limiting their exposure right after that conversion event. And then 3, non-intent. So people who are clicking your ads, maybe a lot, and suspiciously a lot, and coming to the site and literally doing nothing, not downloading, not clicking anything, 1-page view, low time on site, that kind of thing. So let's call this our 3 groups of people that we're going to try to suppress. And I will show you how I built it out in Audience Stream. So I'm going to pop over to, here we go, Audience Stream. And so for those of you who have not seen Audience Stream, this tool, feel free to reach out to us. We can get you a full demo, show you how everything works. I'm going to do a pretty high-level overview of these audiences that I built out. So here's the first one, non-responders. So what I'm saying here is if the date of the last click on a display ad occurred more than a month ago, or if someone has never clicked one of your ads, we're going to add them to this audience segment. So this segment is going to dynamically update in real time, constantly watching incoming traffic. And, if someone clicked once, 30 days go by, boom, they get added to this audience. So what we'll probably end up doing here is taking this audience, porting it to the vendor of choice, and excluding it from your campaign. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Second example is the recent purchasers, right? So this is kind of 2 examples where one is you don't want to show the same product as somebody who just bought that product, right? We've all had that happen to us where you buy a pair of shoes on Amazon or Nordstrom, you keep shopping around the next day, you're still getting ads for the same pair of shoes. You're like, I just bought these. So that's dollars you should not be spending. The other example is just not bombarding your audience, right? If somebody comes and downloads a white paper, maybe it's a B2B advertiser, downloads a white paper, they need some time to digest, continue doing research. So what this is doing here is saying, if someone purchased within the last 7 days, keep them in this audience. On day 8, they're removed from the audience. So, we're treating it like a cool down period for those users where you can let them breathe and then reintroduce your brand. Third one is that non-intent. So this is if total lifetime clicks on your display ads is greater than or equal to 5, and the average time on site is less than a minute. So this is people who are coming, clearly clicking your ads. This could even work for paid search as well, where people are spending your money and not doing anything on site. You could even tighten up this time frame here from a minute down to like 10 seconds. Now you're looking at suspected bot traffic, suspected fraudulent traffic, things like that. So this will help eliminate those people for your future campaigns, and overall just reduce the amount of money you're spending, but still maintain the same performance, right? So at the end of this build, what you'd end up doing is using our connector marketplace. These are API connections to the vendor of choice. You push the audience over to that vendor and then either target or exclude that audience. So that was a really quick high-level overview, but hoping that that solved the challenge for you guys. So thank you, and look forward to more challenges. Again, I'm Kyle Brierly, and we'll see you next time.